that is North Garo Hills. Okay. So for 4 months, this entire thing will be flooded, no? So they have to go all the way around that and come here. Okay, that is. This is under MGNRG. It was. This is gone. Which year is this? So where they get their drinking water?
From the same.
So they should make a check dam, no? Only GUI I'm seeing. They should grow. They need to do multi-cropping. So from this whole surface, how much fish we can get in 1 year?
2,500 to 2,000.
To check the erosion, what you'll make? Boulder Dam? Upstream? Okay.
They used to call it Japan koi.
Has it come from Japan?
No, not exactly.
Then?
I don't know.
No, forget every scheme and all. I'm asking if I'm a farmer, na? This is my pond, then for fisheries, how much I have to invest in 1 year? 1 lakh. And how much I can make profit after selling fish?
Around 10 to 15 lakhs.
If that fish feed is used, na? 10 lakh. So you invest 1 and you can earn 10.
Last year also some portion actually washed away.
This was made in which year, this road?
1819 more.
1819. And last year it got this wash. Okay. They have not included culvert or anything, no? So even in Jeepable Road, I think they should include culvert here, no? So that in future there is a provision. Today we are in Sarangapal, and this is one of the farthest village. In fact, one has to go to North Garo Hills and then come back because there is no bridge over this river Manda in our side. So we are proposing that the villagers should come together and they should make a bridge over this Manda river so that connectivity is direct to this village and they can reach the hospital and market at a shorter distance. So that we can finalize, because this kind of assets have to be used. Is it at least 20? No, 28, 30, 30? Good.
Mapakan asmang cakcikizanya meeting na tomani na bakura na ribaha. Mandira ako managrabe ko ba service. I have seen only this place, such kind of structure, sir.
So this is more stronger.
This is more stronger, sir.
Oh, it will not like wash away. No?
Yes, sir.
Because it is a heavy, that block is there.
This is good if they are using it. Bakhal Picro, and they have made this retaining wall under MGNREGS because there was erosion from the river, and they have declared this as a fish sanctuary from their side. So slowly we'll see a rise in the fish population, which is a very good thing, which is a community initiative, and this is something what we want to spread. क्या ये मतलब कोई youth club है कि क्या है?
क्लब तुम्हारा नाम ये देखिए
क्या नाम है? बिमो?
क्लब नहीं
अरे क्लब नहीं यूथ क्लब, ग्रीन यूथ क्लब, बहुत ही बढ़िया। क्या 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 काम करता है यूथ क्लब? मैं एक्टिविटी क्लीनिंग नंगनी क्लब को रजिस्टर कहा, रजिस्टर सोसाइटी रजिस्टर का वो है ना, तो फिर अलग अलग स्कीम का बेनिफिट मिलेगा है ना, है ना। क्लब नी अकाउंट नंगन बैंक अकाउंट। फुटबॉल खेलता है, जर्सी जर्सी लूँगा है ना नेक्स्ट टाइम। हमारा टीम बहुत स्ट्रांग है, ठीक है। लो लो ओके चलो ऑल द बेस्ट। It's nicely maintained. Nice. Yeah, this is so nice. It's one of the most pretty. Very good. So how many institutional delivery in the month of January?
Last month,
3. Very good. So they are coming regularly. Very good, very good. And this is your quarter? Okay. That's what. If the ANMs are staying, you will see a big change in institutional delivery.